The OKR Foundation Course represents the start of your empowering growth journey. By becoming an OKR champion, you can create extraordinary results for your organization or clients if you are a consultant or coach. Objectives and key results are future-directed frameworks that can create very impressive and sustainable growth for your organization. Google, Microsoft, and Salesforce are but a few examples of industry giants that have effectively used goal frameworks to ignite exponential growth. The OKR Institute has coached 500-plus organizations in 50-plus countries, and the practical expertise that we have gained in multiple industries and cultures is applied to our courses to empower you to optimize the use of objectives and key results. Both startups and industry-leading multinational corporations from all business sectors are our clients. OKRs know no boundaries and can be successfully applied, irrespective of industry or company size. This free course is our gift to you, and we will provide expert guidance in understanding the fundamentals of OKRs. The OKR Foundation is a certification course, and we will proudly present you with an OKR Institute-endorsed certificate upon the successful completion of the course. A strong foundation is an absolute requirement for a successful and sustainable growth journey. Our practitioner course is the next step and will help you practice in different scenarios and make you an expert in drafting powerful objectives and key results. Now, welcome to the OKR Institute and enjoy our foundation course.